Hey Mark, what can you tell me about pull member up?
This refactoring lets you take a member and move it up to an ancestor class. So for example, here I've got a projection 3D that descends from shape 2D. And inside of this, I've got a method called calculate area, which works only with width and height. So that's all declared up above. What I can do is I can just put the caret here, hit the CodeRush key and choose pull member up to shape 2D. Select where I want to put it, just using the up and down arrow keys, hitting enter, and it's moved it up that quickly. Press escape to get right back to where I was in the other class. And of course, this works throughout your entire solution. It'll open up the file if needed, if the file's not like right there. If the class is not right there in the same file like it is in this example.
That's great. So we've got all the same functionality, but we've reallocated it to a more appropriate area. And of course, any further descendants that maybe go from shape 2D in a different direction will now be able to take advantage of that functionality as well.
Yeah, it makes a lot of sense. And sometimes this happens, right? You've got a hierarchy, you're adding a method, and all of a sudden you realize, oops, this needs to go up. So you can do that. I also wanted to show you what would happen if we were to take calculate volume. Now, calculate volume depends on calculate area. Actually, let's do this. We'll come in here, we'll grab calculate area, we'll put it up there, jump back. Now we'll try to do the same thing with calculate volume. And now I wanted to show you what happens here. It sees the dependencies, sees that it's got depth as well, and it's going to need to move that up,
Sure.
right? So all of that is going to be moved up into here, and there it just did it. If I undo and undo one more time and come down here and grab this and say I want to move up calculate volume, it's going to see, hey, I also need to move this method called calculate area up. And you can just move all of that up, all the dependencies.
Very, very nice. Excellent stuff.